Hi, I'm about to let you in on a little secret. A secret that will turn your world upside down. A secret that can show you how to turn a $1,000 investment into over $20,000 in just 1 week. A secret that will then allow you to keep doing that over and over and over and over. I think you get the picture. Now, I'm not going to waste your time either. I'm going to get straight to the point right now. In a time where there's a world banking crisis, have you ever wondered why bankers aren't at all worried? Well, I wondered this too. So I decided to do a bit of research into what the big bankers actually do to earn their millions of dollars a month. And I can tell you, there's not much to it. In fact, allow me to show you something. And this is something I'm guessing you've heard of before. Facebook. This chart, courtesy of Yahoo, shows a 12-month history of the Facebook stock on the NASDAQ. Now, as you can see, it's more than doubled in a year. So it doesn't take a genius to work out that the best time to have bought would have been when it was at a low point, then sold a year later at a high point, and you would have doubled your money. It's really not rocket science. You can see it right in front of you right now, can't you? It makes you ask yourself, if only I had bought in early. Now, it's pretty easy to say when you've got this information in front of you, all you need is a time machine to go back and buy when it's at a low point, right? Well, I'm pretty sure that the bankers don't have a time machine. But I'm also pretty sure that they know the difference between a market fluctuation and an upward trend. You see, where I've circled is a market fluctuation. This is where the market has gone up and down, but as an average, it's stayed around the same point. Now here, I've drawn a straight line to show the upward trend. And that's when I had my eureka moment. That moment that made me realize that there is a mathematical formula that can help you predict a rising market. You see, point A is the first indication that the stock has potential. Then, point B tells me that perhaps I should have bought in at point A. Finally, at point C, it's pretty much confirmed to me that if I had invested at point A, then I would have successfully recognized an upward trend early on, and that I could have invested and made money. By the time point D is achieved, it allows you to analyze a pattern that stock market assets display throughout an upward trend. And it doesn't take a genius to visually see the way that A, B, and C appear above the line, when finally resting at point D, the cash-out point for a short-term investor. Now, what I learned from Facebook can also be applied in reverse, with downward trends, and exactly the same principle applies. The only problem is that stocks and shares and waiting a year to test my theory is a slow game and involves investing large sums of money to make large sums in return. This is when I discovered binary options. With binary options, I can invest low amounts that expire as soon as 15 minutes. So with this, I developed my OptionBot software, a piece of software that uses my Eureka Trend algorithm to tell me what to invest in and when. Oh, and it's better than a time machine, because this is available now, and you can use it to start making huge winning trades with massively low risk immediately. If you want to make money, enter your details below to see a live demonstration of OptionBot in action.